What's up, guys? Before we start this video, man, I just want to let you guys know, man, we are finally giving away our 2020 Road Glide and the Strawberry Lemon Drop with the Build 124 on that joint, man. We are going live today at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I'll see you guys here on Everything's regular YouTube channel on live, man. If you guys missed out for a chance to get in, man, you still got a couple hours left. After 5 p.m., it's a done data, but everything on the website is $20 right now, man. So with that being said, you can literally win this 2020 Road Glide Harley Davidson with the Build 124 on it for as low as $20, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now, man. You still got a few hours to get in before we go live tonight at 6 p.m. Like I said, everything on the website is $20 for a chance to win our 2020 Road Glide, man. I appreciate y'all. Let's get back into the show. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally finished up our 2021 Road Glide special, man. It's finally got some ooh and ah effect to it, man, but I can't wait. That's not the topic of discussion today. Well, man, we got to get one more thing on this thing done. I freaking was messing with this thing yesterday, and I figured out the freaking ignition switch was whipped. So I gotta go to Harley real quick, go get another ignition housing, go switch that out real quick, and then we should be good with this one. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered in for our chance to win our 2020 Road Glide Strawberry Lemon Drop right here in the Strawberry Lemon Drop colors, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com. We are going live this Friday coming up, man, so you only got about a day and a half left to get in if you haven't got in. Meanwhile, I'm working on some shipping and stuff down here, so you guys should be having your orders any day now, man. I definitely appreciate the patience and everything that came along with this giveaway, man. You guys know what time it is. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely appreciate that, man. We're about to hop on our 2022 CVO right now and go up to Harley and go get another ignition switch housing. And then from there, we'll come back, install that, and maybe take this 2021 on a ride, man. Let's go see what we can do and get this show on the road now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, here we are. Let's see what we got. We pulling up to next level. What's up with y'all? How y'all doing? Where y'all from? Yeah.
Hey, you know where we from? Diamonds on Tuesday, Houston.
Come on, man. Houston is in the house. Let me see, man. Diamonds on Tuesday. They ain't playing. They pulled up with the ooze and the ahs. So what y'all riding today?
You know my bike with this.
Road Glide with the Road Glide with the ooze? I seen y'all before. Where did I see y'all at last time?
When we was on the Beltway and
it was like last year daytime, right? I remember y'all. I definitely remember y'all for sure. How y'all been?
Good.
It's good seeing y'all for sure. Likewise. They out here slide, man. Diamonds on Tuesday, man. Road Glides. Oh, how long y'all cleaned these bikes up? They looking real clean today. Dang. I need to take mine.
She was wiping on hers when I pulled up.
Yeah? Oh, yeah. See, she better than me. She better than me, that's for sure. Y'all see what's going on, man. We got the bikes out here. It's time to go yay.
What's up, big money?
What's up, man? How you feeling?
Oh, man, I'm blessed, bro.
Oh, they got the gold on the gold thing. What's up with you, man?
I ain't never won no bike yet, man.
He said I ain't won no bike yet. Hey, man, Smitty boy is in the house. What's up, man? How you doing?
Oh, man, I'm blessed, bro.
Man, tell him where we at one time, man.
Hey, brother, we down in H-Town, man.
In the H-Town? Oh, it's about to be a hell of a weekend then, man.
Oh, you know it.
I heard this where the party at this weekend, man.
Hey, brother, we got a couple parties going on.
Y'all see what's going on, man. He put it out the satchel. Hey, man, you see what's going on.
Hey, you gotta have it, bro.
Come on, gotta have it. Hey, man, I see you, man. I see you again. For sure. Oh, let's check out this gold one real quick, Joe. Let's check out the ooze and the ahs. See, he got him a bad one. I'm dying. You are funny. Y'all see the gold on there? He said 132 cubic inches. Okay, they're gonna need some more. Y'all see what's going on. He got him a bad one. I'm dying.
Oh, this one from up there, the yellow.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, that's a little different. A little different. You'll hurt yourself on this motherfucker. I'm good. Hell yeah. That motherfucker flip. It's a wrap. So y'all see we out here going yay, man.
What's up? What's happening?
What's up, man? How you feeling?
What's happening?
Good seeing you, man.
My man right here, man.
Yes, sir.
Y'all know this man.
Yeah, I see we out here on the street glides, road glides, back to back on with the players. Y'all know how I know y'all some players?
How you pick it up?
Y'all both came with the chrome on chrome, man. Not too many OGs do that no more,
You
man.
need paint on paint.
I'm following my kinfolk, man.
Come on, man. You know what time it is.
I'm following my kinfolk. I love him to death, man.
You know, it's love for sure. Y'all see, dang, he got the bars on there. Golly. Dang. He got the bars on there.
6 inches wide.
Them things, man, them about 24s or something. Them gotta be 24-inch bars, I ain't gonna lie. He gotta be super tall.
Yeah, you think so?
He gotta be super tall.
These motherfuckers here, man.
Yeah, them
I
big
can barely
daddy.
put my hand around them.
I ain't gonna lie, them big daddy. He be raw.
Do like what we got.
Right, huh? It's a lot different, ain't it?
You ever seen them, boy?
I ain't never seen them before. I ain't gonna lie to you. Them things are huge. I'm telling you, you gotta be the tallest dude out here. Just look for the tallest dude. That's what I'm thinking. Gotta be. Gotta be, man. They got the road glides and everything out here, man. Let's see what else we got back yonder. Let's see. Oh my God. Let's see what we got, man. Tell them where we at. Y'all see we at the congregate. Man, tell them where we at, man. Come on, man. What's up, man? How you doing? Hell yeah. Tell them where we at one time.
Hey, we H-Side, Texas, man. This next level H-Time, man.
Next level is in the house.
Yeah,
man.
it's
Come
only
on.
Thursday, though.
It's only Thursday.
Only Thursday.
Oh, we got a whole weekend ahead of us.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday day. I mean, Saturday day, Saturday night.
And
And
Saturday
we doing
night.
Sunday Fun Day, too.
Sunday fun day?
Sunday Fun Day. We
Oh,
in
yeah,
Detroit.
they gotta hang around for that, huh?
Hey, you got to see that. I'm going to tell them where we at. I'm going to tell them where we
Tell
at.
us
so
where we
pull
at,
up.
man. Y'all know what time it is. We about to go, yeah, man. I got the guys up in here. What's up, man?
Baby, what's
How you
good
doing?
with
Good seeing you, man.
Hey, look, I told you Lafayette was gonna be a movie, and I'm gonna tell you again, Houston about to be a movie.
Look, I'm here now.
You better come
Yeah,
see.
it's a movie, man.
Y'all
Y'all
better
see me
come
out
see.
here.
We
Come
gonna
on.
turn the city up,
Next
man.
level is about to go
Hey,
up.
you rolled up here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's time.
Yeah, I rode up
time.
here. It's time, man. You know what time it is. Come on.
Hey, look, when I sent it to you, I said, I ain't even checking to see he got it or not. I see he got it.
No. I definitely was pulling up,
Hey,
man.
show them what a Thursday look like. Thursday, just
Yeah, no. We just pulled up, man. So I'm sure everybody else on their way too, man.
And we drinking, too.
Oh my Lord.
kill ya.
Oh my Lord. Let's go.
Welcome to Houston.
Oh my God. What's up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you. Hell yeah. What's up, man? And I ain't seen you in a while. How you been?
I've been good, man.
Man, what state you been to last, man? Where you just come from? I know you didn't come from Houston. Where you just come from?
Chilling, man. I'm just gonna kick it off right now.
Huh?
I'm just getting ready to kick it off right now.
Yeah, you about to kick it off? Where you about
Ready
to
to roll
go?
kick out, man.
Yeah, where you about to go first?
Oh, probably Black Wall Street, man.
Black Wall Street.
Yeah.
You riding a black road glide over there?
No,
No. You on your blue one today?
I flew in.
Oh, you flew in. Oh, man, that's not like you. I'm gonna get. See, you get a pass because you be riding everywhere, cross country. Every time I see you on your bike.
Watch, next time I see you, I'm on it.
No, it's all
But I just
good.
rebuilt that Road King, though.
I've been seeing it. Ain't it the white one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been seeing it.
Yeah, we coming.
I've been seeing it.
We coming.
I'm ready.
And we'll be in LA for Road King Day.
I'm ready. Let's go. Oh my God, what's up, man? How you feeling? Good seeing you. Hell yeah. Let's see what kind of motorcycles they got up here, man. They got a road glide over here with the green, with the ooze, and the twos. I don't want to go get copyrighted up in there, but we can check out and see what they got over yonder. I want to see this green one because I seen this paint set on eBay. I know where he got this paint set from. I know where he. What's up, man? I'm about to come fuck with you right now. Look at this green one right here. I like this one. Yeah, the color nice on there. The color is nice on there. I like him. He nice. What's up, man? How you feeling?
on that bitch.
Yeah. How you feeling? Good.
That's the man with the master
what's
plan.
good, man? How you
How
feeling?
you doing, man?
Good seeing you, man.
Good looking. I've been trying to track you down.
Yeah, I'm here now. I'm here
Finally
now,
bumped
man.
into it,
I'm
man.
outside tonight.
Yeah, man. Let's go viral,
I
man.
just, oh my
Yeah,
Lord.
let's go
I just
viral.
pulled up. Let me cool down. We might get a little something in, man.
Yeah.
So tell him what you rocking with, man. Let me see. How you like the, he got the 2024 road
Man,
glide,
I
right?
love it, dog. I love it. It's fast. I got stage 2 on it.
Okay, so what's
good,
stage
dog.
2, man? That mean what?
That's
for the people who don't know.
Screaming Eagle exhaust.
Okay.
I mean, I got the Reinhardt exhaust.
Got you.
I got the intake.
Okay.
The wedge. I got the little cam, the 511, whatever the fuck it's called.
Oh, it's cam too?
Yeah, cam too,
Okay,
and a little tune.
And a little
So I'm
tune.
trying to do a little something.
Oh, so
something,
he
you know.
ain't playing.
This is my first Harley. though.
Oh my God. Okay.
I've been watching your videos since like last year. I swear to God, I'm
Yeah.
feeling too.
Okay.
So you hype me up.
Oh, okay.
Go challenge.
What's up?
You gotta hit him with the ooze. Tell me you gotta hit him
Yeah.
with the ooze.
You gotta get that. He got the ooze in the eyes. Look, I was getting there. Look, he got the ooze in the eyes on it. See, I ain't seen the 24 with the graphics on there yet.
Yeah.
So you got something a little different. You did a little ooh and ah effect to it. I ain't gonna lie. So he said he got cam, he got the breather, and the pipes on here. He said he ready for some smoke, man.
And my little back straight. This is my lifesaver right here.
Oh yeah. He said hang
like
on.
You doing the willies. And,
No, it's all. So you got a chain on here or what?
Nah, not yet.
Not yet?
It's regular day.
Okay.
Brand new.
Nice.
I'm trying to fuck the warranty.
Nah, I ain't trying to mess the warranty.
You know, off camera, we gonna talk.
No, it's all good. We gonna get it
Somebody
together.
I'm telling you, man, we need to go. I want to get the ST though.
Yeah.
Raffle this motherfucker, man.
He said let's raffle it.
That go viral.
Hey man, if y'all want it, man, let me know in the comments below.
First he gotta race me.
Yeah.
And then if he beat me, if he beat me, we'll race for the titles and he can have it. He gonna raffle it off
He
for one
can
of
have
y'all. And if y'all want it, it's 2024.
2024.
It ain't been out but 2 months.
With the ooze.
So I know we can get some money. I
Come
don't
on,
want
man.
nothing for it.
Well, we gonna see in the comments what they want to do,
Yeah,
man.
let's see.
You already know.
I'm telling you,
Come on, man. You just put up out here, what? Or you been out here?
Man, I've been out. See, niggas in Cali call me H-Town.
Yeah.
Niggas out here call me Cali. Because
Okay.
I've been out here since like 98, 99.
Oh yeah, you from H-Town now,
So
man.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you from H-Town now, man.
Yeah, I've been out here. I'm from Gardena, LA, Inglewood.
Okay.
So, you know.
You a local then?
Yeah, but I'm north side. I'm a north side.
Yeah, oh my
I'm
God.
balling on the south
Yeah,
side.
no,
I'm just over
it's
here
all
on the
good.
The nigga the north side.
It's all
Hey.
good. Y'all know where we
Trying
at,
to be
man.
like Mr. Everything.
Oh no, man, you got it, man. You got the
And then
new
what's
joint.
what's the new one called? The other one. I followed that one too. I subscribed to that one.
Cool.
The other-
Everything's still regular?
Still regular.
Everything's still regular.
Everything's still. Man, we gotta get them jackets. You had that jacket on the other day.
Oh yeah, the
I like it.
puffer.
I want one.
Yeah?
Everything. That's,
I'm gonna have to get you right, man.
I need one, man.
I'm gonna have to
Everything
get you
regular
right.
Jackets, man.
Hey, nah, it's
and I'm
love.
gonna get a badge too. One of the little,
Hey man, well tell them who to subscribe to then, man.
subscribe to everything regular. He made me get this motherfucker.
Oh my
This
God.
my first Harley.
This your first Harley.
I had a Jigsaw years ago. I used to race dirt bikes in
Yeah.
Walnut. You know, LA 450s and shit. I almost
Yeah.
killed myself.
Oh my Lord.
So I said, fuck the dirt bike.
Yeah.
Let's just cruise and go fast. You know.
So how you like this? You said it was cool earlier, but like compared to like the Jixers and stuff like that.
Oh, it's killing me. It's
Yeah.
just a different vibe. And then, you know, I'm a street nigga, so it gives me another life to kind of pop out outside again. And
Right.
I
Yeah,
know
it's
you
a
would,
yeah,
you know what I'm
it's for
saying?
sure
Like,
different.
really
Everybody ride bikes now. You
Everybody
never know who you
ride bikes,
might run into out here.
Yeah.
I ain't
You
gonna
gotta
lie.
get it turned up like LA. You know,
Yeah, nah,
racing
slowly but surely, you know. When people get more stuff done to their bike, you know, slowly but surely. But yeah, nah, it's a cool little turnout, man.
Yeah,
Come see.
you can ride it one day, man. I fuck with my nigga, so I've been wanting to meet you and just see you face to face.
Nah, it's love, man.
I fuck with my nigga, dog.
Nah, it's love. I appreciate that, man. We gonna get it in. Don't worry. I'm gonna see what other bikes is over here, and I'm gonna come fuck with you when I get done.
For sure.
For sure. Oh, they got the joints out here, man. Come on, man. Y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir. Let me see. They got the CV. Oh no, that's the ST right here. Outlaws for sure. What's up, man? How you feeling? Nice meeting you. For sure, for sure. What's up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. What's up, man? How y'all feeling? Y'all from out here, what?
Entries, my boy.
You say you got the entries?
I'm gonna have to do one of them.
Shit, I did one that Wednesday.
Hey, we going live tomorrow. You never know. I'm giving away a 2020 tomorrow. With a 124 on that thing, man. With the ooze in the eyes. Come on, man.
I might have to do that.
I'm telling you.
Look, I was watching the video when he first did the 120
Yeah.
That bitch hit the light, and motherfucker broke down. He's up.
Oh, I know exactly which one you talking about. As soon as I got it out.
I said, oh, I gotta go get me.
Bro.
Yep.
Yes, the gray one. Bro, that was the one. I found that one at an auction. It was a sleeper. I'm like, bro, I didn't have to do nothing to it but tune it. I hopped on that thing. It was like the fastest thing I ever rode. It was different, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm talking, he's leaving the line. I heard, pow! Going right back.
Bro, had to go right back. I'm like, look, I need a chain or something, bro. Hey, that is funny. So where y'all from? Oh, y'all from Houston? Oh, okay. I'm sure I ran into y'all before, man. But if not, it's nice meeting y'all in Outlet.
That one you gave away was clean as hell, too.
Y'all appreciate it, man. Hell yeah. We gonna have to see what's up, man. I'm gonna see what bikes and stuff is out here. All right, it's nice meeting y'all, man. Nice meeting you, bro. For sure, for sure. Nice meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you, bro.
What's up? How you doing?
What's up?
Nice
Good,
meeting you.
baby.
Hell yeah, I'm coolin', man.
Been like 20.
No, see, it be different, man. I be seeing so many faces, I ain't gonna lie. And then y'all be having different hairstyles and all that. Come on, man. You gotta give me a no. Come on, you gotta give me a break.
I'm, King Undertaker, baby.
Come on, man.
You didn't see me about 20 times.
All right, well, tell them where we at right now, man.
I don't know where the hell we at.
Oh, my Lord, he
No,
say
no,
lit.
we in H-Town.
We in the H right now.
Hey, Kings of the South,
It's
baby.
going down, man. Y'all know what time it is.
Next level.
Come on, man. Good seeing you
Going
again
down.
then. How about that?
Baby.
How about that, man? Yeah. Y'all know what time it is. Look, they got the joints in here, the oohs and the ahs. Let me see. Let me see what we got up in here, man. They got the road glides lined up, the black and the blue. I like that. Okay. Road King, okay. They got the gold with the oohs on here. Got the big guy. He got about 26s, 28s on that thing. Okay. Look at this. Green. Got the gold on that thing with the oohs on there. I like that. Okay. Riding and sliding with the oohs on there. Got his buddy on the back. Let's go. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the bikes and stuff so far in the comments below. You said which one you like?
I like the blue one, but I like the gray, how it look like.
You like the gray? Feeling real darkish. How you doing? With the oohs on it. I know you didn't ride on that. Really? That's crazy.
That's her bike.
That's her bike?
Yeah, that's her bike.
See, she was like, I'm gonna just kick it right here, I ain't gonna say nothing. Okay, where y'all from? Let me see. Okay. It's a lot going on, man.
Houston, yeah.
Houston's in the house, man. Them rare dimes. Okay,
Yes,
look.
them
See,
rare
I was
dimes.
seeing twos for a second.
Her diamonds. Oh, my name is way too much. That's why.
Wait, see, I told you I was seeing twos. Okay, way too much.
And my
rare
sister's
diamonds
over
in the
there.
house. Okay, look. So is it about to be a party this weekend? Cause like, you know, we not from out here. We from LA, so it's a little different from us.
I used to live in Dago, baby.
Oh yeah. So is it gonna be like lit compared to LA? You think Houston like really got it or what?
Houston is over LA, baby. And I lived in
I just wanted you to say it on camera.
I'm
That's
telling
all.
you right now, Houston, especially Sunday Fun Day.
Yeah.
You can't touch. Nowhere
Okay,
can touch
bet.
Sunday.
So we gonna go up the whole weekend, right?
The whole weekend. Go with the whole weekend. I'm telling you, but we move around. This weekend we here. Next weekend we gonna be in Austin turning
Oh
up.
my Lord, not Austin.
And after that we gonna be in Shreveport turning up.
Oh, not
We
Shreveport.
going to Tulsa.
It's gonna be a movie then. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Tulsa.
Yeah,
I
you
think I'm gonna
talking
go
about
there.
Black Wall Street.
Black Wall Street. I think I'm gonna be
It's
there.
gonna be a turn.
I never been there. I never been there before. Is it fun? Yeah. I never been there before.
I'm about to stop at
It's different?
First 48. I'm about to be at the police station like.
Oh my, not first 48.
Hell yeah, with the
The first
lieutenant.
48.
I'm about the lieutenant. Hey,
Tulsa.
okay, pictures.
It's different. And
Shots
it's
ring
something
out.
for the young generation to see.
Okay.
Thank you.
Young generation.
Historical.
Really?
Watch your
Down
back
there.
at the same time.
Really?
Make sure your camera's fully loaded, baby.
Oh my Lord, it's gonna be a movie like that.
Yeah, the museum down there and everything.
Yeah.
Black
It's
Wall
the
Street
history.
is
It's the history.
See, I've never been, so we're gonna have to see and check it out and give everybody a nice little insight for the people who couldn't make it.
Tomorrow night they having the meet and greet. That's gonna be turned up.
I heard about that. We supposed to show our butt
Saturday
tomorrow.
Party. It's gonna be turned up, and then Sunday Fun Day is just all of Houston. It ain't even just the bike day. It's all of
It's all of
50,
Houston.
15.
Oh my Lord, not 50-15.
50-15.
That 50-15.
That motherfucker gonna be jumping.
Yeah, that's
Gotta
where
get
it's
to a
at.
section now.
Okay, bet. Oh
We
my
ain't
Lord,
gonna be able to get it later.
Not now, not later, man. Let's go.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Well, I might see y'all in there. It's nice meeting y'all.
Okay, you too, sweetheart.
Come on, y'all see him out here wilding and styling. Let's go. Well, shit, man. I got the joints in here, man. Come on, Hard Riders is in the house, man. What's up, man? Y'all looking real turned down today, man. What's going on? Y'all gotta get some liquor in y'all or something, man. Okay, they like, man. We've been riding everywhere, man. Riding hard, that is. Come on, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the joints out here. I ain't seen this one out here yet. But this is a nice little color scheme for the oohs and the ahs. Nice little thingy thing with the PMs on there. I like that. Cool. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. I'm on that joint, man, with the tour pack on the back. Come on, you see how I'm coming? You see how I'm coming?